educational, interactive application, and I really like the idea of using the blended reality so that you have a real interface. So I created these shapes that represent molecules. This is to teach about molecular reaction, and this could be used in a classroom or a museum. And the module that I finished is showing the idea of collision theory, when two molecules collide and there's a reaction, and the effect of orientation, that depending on the angle that a molecule hits another angle and which atoms collide, there is a reaction or not a reaction. And in this program, if you hit the two molecules, the physical objects that I created, in the correct angle, it turns into the new molecule reaction. Okay, and in the future, I would like to have more animation so that the screen, the vertical screen, would have the molecules actually turning into the new molecule and have a nice animation. Right now, it's just a still image of the new molecule, and have nicer graphics projected onto the mat as well. Oh, I have more time. I talked really fast. Okay. Yeah, and this, I think using your hands to move molecules around will make it easier to comprehend the idea of molecules instead of just watching demonstrations with your eyes. Actually moving them will make it easier for people to memorize the angles and the whole concept of the effect of orientation. Other applications are also the 3D orientation of molecules and the way that atoms connect to each other in a 3D orientation using the depth sense of the camera as well. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is an educational program that teaches the concept of collision theory and the effects of orientation. And I created these objects that represent molecules. This is the interface. You move these objects around and you try to make them collide and turn into another molecule. And the way that it should go is in this orientation for it to create a new molecule. Okay, so I'm going to start it, and it's going to scan the objects, so it'll take a minute or two. Okay. Okay, so these are the objects, and they're scanned, and they're being represented on the screen. And I can hit them in ways they don't intersect, but if I hit them just the right way, it turns into another molecule.